Ekokuma ya wamra shebeje fiemo se oswafo osho roads and highways so nsama wode etudwa wakwan tempon ho nsam no nokre bia enimo asa wakato ha no wakato ha ohwe records ma kokuma no se nyasa na etie emunsam eni
Dom kuma ya wonmo ewo mrashebedwe fie wonmo eguswa ekasa edifa nsembia dom kase ne mpanyimfo bi wonmo eka edifa kanema mpanyin na adodan kwakofo ado ne ho ani nyina no fa nhye ya wode egu akwam a na ehwese yenkwantempo betumi ho sakraye na wonmo esanso edesobo ebo wosofo hwe kwantempo ho semso ensede osifeke kanensem edifa kanema mpanyin eho no enya de twa ye kura na kwaesemfutru na wotu de guga na de hye ni so isanse abra na NPP amanyuko na ewa ban mu no mampanyina no odi wono mu animu bon homoden pa odi hye egu akwema o Ghana kwanzepon dodo na no insiesie course so na abra kanesoafo na ohwe kwanzepon ho samaso Francis Asenso Boache ene sentwerefo di nkomo mrashebedwe fie no o kirechire mu akwa hodo a na adodan kwa akofo ado esiesie ye wo Ghana emu.
The minister claims that President Akufo-Addo's widely acknowledged achievement of constructing over 13, he mentioned 10,000, but the original figure is over 13,000 roads. It's a mirage because he did not see any such roads during his recent tour. This is not only disingenuous, but gross attempt to politicize hard facts.
As one more, it
is equally troubling that the minister, who upon assuming office loudly criticized the Akufo-Addo administration for employing single-source procurement method, is now making a complete U-turn. At today's press conference, Honorable Abuja, who once said, or once that you, who stated today that once you have engineers' estimates, once the engineers prepare the estimate for road construction, it doesn't matter